Stand by now. Gates open. They're up and racing. Lavabo Princess. Double the charm. Moving a party outside together with About to Be. Sweet and Gorgeous is by the rail. Angelic Boys running by the rail is Don Alejandro. Next in line, Lisa's Magic. Hook. Hawk comes next, followed by Bullrock, Gray Magic, in between runners, Danny Phantom alongside Big Bone, and trailing the group is Janelle's Episode as they race towards the last 600. Double the charm in command, then running on the outside, Lovable Princess, moving a party outside, Lisa's Magic, Sweet and Gorgeous, Don Alejandro racing in deep, About to Be, and Hockey Hawk as they turn for home. We have a long shot leading the field, running on the outside, Lovable Princess, then followed by Lisa's Magic, Hockey Hawk, now moving a party outside, 150 to go, Lovable Princess, Lisa's Magic, Don Alejandro, Hockey Hawk is on the outside, but Lovable Princess winning this race, a long shot. Second, Don Alejandro, Hockey Hawk. Then comes Lisa's Magic and About to Be for your Pentapecta.
Ano?
Lovable Princess.